All right, guys, it's Keeks, and I'm back with another video. And today I went to Pick and Pull SA. A little different than the national Pick and Pull, but let me let you know what I got. All right, exciting day today. It was New Year's Eve, and they had a 20% off anything special. And Pick and Pull here doesn't really get too many discounts. So I went in there looking for whatever I could find. You know, I have a lot of vehicles and a lot of projects. So, you know, just looking around, I come across a real nice headache rack. And so I get out there, I come across it. It's just laying there. Looks great, great condition, very streamlined. And I picked it up. Thing was about 150, 200 pounds. I had to drag that thing. It's about a mile away from corner to corner, and I'm all the way in the F-150s, all the way in the back. So I got about half a mile away, and then the guys turned around, the shuttle guys turned around, picked me up, and we were able to load it down. I got it in there with the 20% discount. I got a heavy-duty, real nice headache rack with rails for 30 bucks with tax. After doing a review, they're gonna give me a free t-shirt and everything. So I wanna go over what's going on with this new channel, Keeks on the Streets. A lot of y'all probably already follow me on the Keeks of Texas, but I started this one new because it separates me a little bit from the other things that I do around town. And this is kind of my DIY, me going around finding things, a lot of my thrift stores, salvage yards, things like this that I do and put things together on a budget and doing it yourself. So Keeks on the Street is the new channel. I'm going to be doing stuff between all my vehicles. I got 9 vehicles. I kind of keep myself set at no more than 10. I'm going to keep doing my things with the thrift stores, the pawn shops, salvage yards, antique shops, all that, you name it. So without further ado, let's get into what I found. All right, guys, I'm here at Pick and Pull on the New Year's Eve sale. It's 20% off everything on the yard. So I've been looking for a ladder rack for the new truck, and lo and behold, I'm walking down and look at what I find. A full-size ladder rack just hanging out there, and it looks in pretty good condition. Kind of streamlined just the way I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up, take it over there. If it doesn't fit, it's only $30 with a 20% off. You know, it can't really beat that deal. Only problem is I have to carry it probably about half a mile to a mile away. It's pretty heavy, and I'm gonna have to drag it. So let's see how this goes. So as you can see, I got about at least half of the way there. I already passed the truck area way back there, and the shuttle service, I didn't know it was going to come around. It found me and it told me to just kind of hang tight. They're going to drop off their people, and they're going to come and help me load this up and get me the rest of the way there. So it was a little bit tiring. Got to go maybe about at least a quarter mile, and we'll take it the rest of the way and see what I can get for this. All right. There it is, guys, all loaded up. So way back there is where I picked it up at, way past where those trees are. Snowman and the Christmas tree, that's pretty good. So I'm pulling around to go pick up the headache rack that I just purchased. The dolly's not going to fit through there, so had a guy try to help me get it through that exit sign because it was a little higher than that. But here it is, and we'll get it moving, get it out of there. All right, guys, I got it back in here. I got it loaded up in the truck, so you can see. We'll take it back. We're going to go ahead and customize it and put some lights and a whole bunch of stuff on it. So thanks to Pick and Pull, I'm going to go ahead and do a review, try to get me a free t-shirt. So let's see how it ends up.